Hi, Alex. Amanda here. I happened to see your post on your Facebook page, your business page, about inquiries on a website and so forth. I want to make sure that you have the absolute best information out there. I saw that people were commenting you and leading you to a path of destruction, so I definitely just don't want that to happen to you. So what I did was I created a customized video for Emerald Green, and this is going to give you all of the information that you need to be as successful as you want to be. Now, let's just jump right in here. So when your future customers are searching for your services, an example, landscaping and Lacey, the first part that comes up in the Google search results is right here. Now, this is the local map listings or the Google Map Pack. Ideally, we want businesses to be in one of these top 3 spots because this is what is instantly shown upon the search results. I just want to give you a little idea of what the Google business page looks like because I actually did a search for Emerald Green and I was not able to find one for you guys. If I'm wrong, I apologize for that, but I wasn't able to locate one for you guys. Now, what a Google business page looks like is this. This is the number 1 competitor for you guys that's, for Lacey anyhow. And again, it's got their business information, obviously, their reviews, all of the pertinent information to the business, photos, all of these things. This is incredibly important to have because this is where 30% of all of your business comes from. Now, what's just below that is right here. This is the organic section. Now, this is even more important because this is where 70% of your business is going to come from. What I went ahead and determined was who your number 1 competitor is, and that is Olympic Landscape. I then pulled their site to just kind of give you an idea of what their site looks like. I'm not super impressed with the site itself, but they are definitely doing all of the right things, such as having a powerful website, number 1. Number 2, they have got a ton of command content. You know what? Let me back up just one step. What Google does 24 hours a day, 7 days a week is it crawls the internet with their algorithms. What they're doing is they're looking for 2 very important factors. Number 1, they're looking at all of the command content on your site. That's everything on your site. The second thing that they're looking for are the organic keyword phrases. The importance of that is the organic key phrases are what people are typing into Google. So what Google does is it matches up what people are typing in and searching for with your site if it's on your site, right? And so this is what brings you exposure, and this is how you climb the ranks on Google to capture all of the traffic that's going on out there, right? What I went ahead and did next was I took this exact website and I entered it into my Google crawler program. What this is going to do is this is going to give us the deep down data on exactly the performance of a fully optimized and strongly built site and what it's doing for them. So now the 2 most important factors that I want to tell you about, because I realize there's a lot going on here. So we'll just focus on this section. Now, the first factor here, this is the UR. What the UR is the trust factor rating assigned to the website by Google. The second one here is the DR. This is the power factor that is assigned by Google for the website. Now, what they've got going on is backlinks. What a backlink is essentially a shout out from another website to theirs. And what that does is that brings you exposure. Number 1. Number 2, it brings you power. And then number 3, it brings you credibility. So very important. Now they've got 1,100 of those organic keywords that I was talking about. So that would be the phrases that people are entering into Google to find, their company and utilize their services. With everything considered, with all of the factors that they have going on with their site, they've got an organic traffic rating of 894. Now, what does that mean? What that means is that 894 folks every single month are typing into Google the exact same services in the exact same areas that you guys offer. And what's happening is 894 folks are going to their site every single month. They are getting additional information, retaining their services, whatever the case may be. The bottom line here is that is a ton of traffic to be missing out on. So, with a strongly built site for Emerald Green, and then optimized obviously to the max based upon additional revenue that you'd like to bring in every single month, your site would then, of course, start to climb the ranks, get on the first page of Google, and then, with the final plan of attack, of course, to be to take them out of their position and put you in the position to take over all of this traffic. Now I did take a look. Well, of course I did because I saw your post, and saw that you have a beautiful Facebook business page. This is incredible. This is wonderful. It's posted to a lot, which is even more, futile for the growth of your business. The immediate thing that I see is the imagery is amazing. Clearly, you are very skilled, but also, take a great deal of pride in the work that you do. So that is critical. Now, the only thing, lacking that I would give you suggestions on as far as your Facebook page goes is that it does look like you guys, you've got likes and you've got 2 people following. Ideally, we'd want to bring this up to several hundred likes, as many as we can following, but the big key factor here is ratings. So we would want, you to have additional. Now you've got some recommendations, and that's wonderful. Adding a 10 of these would be really helpful as well. Facebook is always a good tool to bring you in, new business. However, Google is the dominator by far. When we're thinking of Facebook, we're thinking of 2.9 billion users, and then when we're thinking of Google, we're thinking of 83 billion. So, obviously there's just no comparison there. So, the next thing that I went ahead and did was I just pulled a few of the sites that I've created for various other customers and just kind of wanted to give you an idea. Again, I just want to stress to you, please, please, please do not make the mistake of going to Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy website builder, none of those. The fact of the matter is they are not able to be SEO, and that's SEO stands for search engine optimization. They are not able to be SEO optimized. So what's going to happen is this site is going to be built and you're going to be able to do nothing with it. I have met countless folks who unfortunately have been misled. They put all of their time, energy, money, whatever the case may be, into building sites on those platforms. And then what ends up happening is we have to completely rebuild on a different platform. All right, so like I was saying, I just pulled a few of the sites that I've created myself for other customers, and just wanted to show you what the overall finished product of sites that I build could look like. So this is a hydro seeding contractor company. Yeah, just obviously got animated moving images, videos going on in the background, and immediate ability to contact their company, all of their certifications up here, more about their company, the services themselves, showcasing those, their commitment to safety, tallies on their customers, again, requesting a quote, another gallery, educational gallery. Education is key. When you can educate people on, things as simple as how many times during the summer do you water? Just, any additional educational information that you can give to people is invaluable. So this is, again, an educational gallery with more additional information. So this is a video on exactly what hydro seeding is. Just again, my point here is to show you, several options of what a site could look like. This is a tree service company. Everything that they do, again, videos going on, accreditation, services, education, emergency services, reasons why to choose them, so forth. This is a gutter cleaning company. And, again, it's got the animation going on. It's got the fading out and fading in images in the background, more about their company, why it's so important to do the services that they do, top rated company, accreditations again, more about, education about their product itself as well as their services. Um, Another one here, this is a remodeling contractor. Um, and video, obviously, video feed in the background of exactly what they've got going on. This is in Bonnie Lake, so it's out towards you. So obviously a way to get a hold of them right away. It's obviously very eye-catching. Then we've got pictures of their work. We've got the services that they offer, more, additional information, why it's important, the different various, types of citing that they offer, of course, and then, contact information and so forth at the bottom. And then this one is a bit random, as far as not being in the contractor landscaping field, but I just pulled this one up because I just wanted to showcase to you. I noticed on your site that it was important. You guys are also a veteran-owned family business, so um, this is, nothing new to me. I thank you for your service tremendously, first of all, but I also do work with other veteran-owned family businesses, so I just wanted to bring that one up to show you that this is definitely something I'm familiar with. So, I hope that this video has been informative for you. I hope you found it valuable. I, again, just do not want to see what has happened to so many, and you end up, of course, in a position of having to redo your site. I know that you were contemplating it, and I just wanted to make sure that you had every bit of information that there was out there to have. Um, and yeah, if this is something that you're interested in pursuing or, finding more about, please do not hesitate. Just reach out to me. Yeah, I definitely hope to hear from you. And if nothing else, I definitely hope that this was helpful and leads you on the right path.